Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurum Vaishnava.
Right, if you have got any question, you can ask. I told you that I do not expect that everyone will be Krishna conscious. That is not possible. But if there is one moon in the sky, that is sufficient to eradicate the darkness. You don't require many stars. Ekaschandra samohanti natu tara sahasra. You see, you just, if one man understands perfectly what is this Krishna consciousness movement is, he can do tremendous benefit to the other people. So you are all intelligent boys and girls. You try to understand this Krishna consciousness philosophy with all your reason or argument, but try to understand it seriously. Don't make it a fuss. Then you will be able to understand.
I always thought that it was kind of like a dance, like a rhythm, that you're Krishna consciousness, and then you become unconscious, and then you become conscious, and then you become unconscious, and it's kind of like a backward and forward thing that God does. Is that David?
Oh, yeah. Unconscious. Get unconscious and dancing.
I had read and thought that
To become unconscious.
that God, the force who made everything and more than you can see everything, was in making this, playing a game. And to play a game, like playing hide and seek. The whole point of the game is something's hidden from one.
There is nothing hide and seek here. We are looking.
Years ago, everyone was Krishna conscious.
Everyone was? When?
When? Yeah. In the beginning. If you sit down and you look very closely at yourself, and you look closer and closer and closer, and you get closer and closer and closer and closer. You go all the way. What are you doing?
You can find, I can't find.
Why can't true well-being and spiritual consciousness just together?
Yes, we are trying and calling everyone. Come and be self-conscious. We are inviting everyone. There is no restriction. And it is very easy. Just try to dance and dance. That's all. Then you see children, they are taking part. That child will talk something of Krishna consciousness, did you ask?
Very.
How old is the child? It is open to everyone. There is no restriction.
Tell us what happens if you rebel.
Like I explained, that changing of body, there are 8,400,000 of bodies. After that you enter in one of the bodies.
And what happens?
As you enter the body, the happening is according to the body.
But does this go on and on indefinitely, or does it stop? You just keep on changing bodies indefinitely? Or at the end?
Not indefinitely. If you become Krishna conscious, then you have got to change this material body. You are transferred to the spiritual body. There is eternal body.
Is everyone doing it?
let everyone go. But if somebody is stubborn to remain here, how one can help? Just like the university is open for everyone, but somebody is stubborn to go to the prison department, so how the government can help? The government does not say that some selected people come to the university and others go to the prison department. It is open for everyone, but it is the particular mentality. One is going to the university, one is going to the prison house. That is individual independence. That is your choice. Just like so many students who have come here, others have not come here. So everyone has got little independence. So everyone can go to the spiritual world if he likes, but if he does not like, he is remain here. That is his choice.
Why do you wear leather shoes with double
I don't know whether.
I've seen some.
We have our leather shoes.
Is that part of the
No, that is not part of it. But we discourage killing. That is in the Bible also. Thou shalt not kill. But you are killing. What can be done? In the Bible, 10 commandments there is, thou shalt not kill. But you are killing. What can be done?
Have you ever found yourself? Have you ever found what you believe in yourself? Have you ever found your inside? I mean, not physically, but mentally.
Yes. Yes.
What?
Yes.
Could you tell us what you found, what you personal?
Yes, I am prepared to tell you. This center is open for telling you. Our books are there. It is not a fancy subject that you can understand immediately. But I can give you one instance that is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Dehinasmin yatha dehi kaumarajyo anangarat katha dehantaram prati dhirastata namayati. It is said in the Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, those who have got Bhagavad Gita, they will see to it, that within this body, there is soul. And the body is changing every moment. That is a fact. We say the child is growing. Growing or changing, practically the same thing. Actually it is changing. Because the former body is no longer to be found. It has accepted, the soul has accepted another body. This is way. From babyhood to childhood, from childhood to boyhood, boyhood to youthhood, then old age. So, just like I am old man, I can remember my childhood body, my babyhood body, my boyhood body, my youthhood body. So the body is no longer, but I am there. I am thinking that I did do like this. I was playing like this in my body. But that body is gone. But still I am there. Therefore it is naturally surmised that when this body will not be existing, I will exist. I will accept another body. This is very logical conclusion. As I am changing so many bodies, still I am there. I can understand that I changed my body. I was so little. Now I have grown up, I am old. But I am there. Similarly, it is concluded, when this body will not be there, but I will accept another body. This is very easy to understand. So that I is, now we can perceive that when you are spiritually emancipated, you will see yourself, your God also, and everything spiritual. That requires time, that requires practice, and we are teaching our students that practice, this Krishna consciousness, to change the consciousness. When you change your consciousness, you will see yourself, you will see God, everything. Jasmin vidyate sarvamimam vidyatam bhavanti. When you are in that spiritual platform, everything will be known to you. But before that, if you want to know, that is not possible. Yes. That.
What is that? You use your body when you speak.
Yes. Why not?
He said, when I secure the God, I'm spoken to change my body.
Yes.
I hear it with your body. Is that all?
Yes, I change my body, just like if I change this apartment, does it mean I should stop speaking? Similarly, if I change this apartment of body, does it mean that I shall stop speaking? That's right. All right, let us not chant.
It's chanting, all right. Yes, chanting. There is chanting recorded.
No.
Yes.
Sometimes it's 20 to 8 now.
Huh?
20 to 8.